Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to download Candy Crush Saga on your Android device. To download the popular Candy Crush Saga game on your Android device is quite simple. First of all, make sure that your Android device is connected to a stable internet, and once it is, open your Google Play Store. Now, tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner from the home screen and go to the search box at the top and type in Candy Crush Saga. In the search result, look for this Candy Crush Saga application from King and tap the install button to start downloading the application for your Android phone. Now wait for a couple of minutes and then you will be able to download and install the app on your Android in just a couple of steps. When it is done, tap on the play button to start playing Candy Crush Saga on your very own Android device. So that's how it's done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech Basics for more Candy Crush Saga tips and tricks. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.